Good morning, dear students. Today we will do exercise 3.1, question number 4. See class, these questions are very simple. I am just telling you one question and the rest questions you will do yourself. If you are facing any problem, then you can tell me. Then afterwards, I will tell you the full questions tomorrow. So just look at the first question in the the fourth question. The fourth question is find the square of the given number. So here you have to find out the square of 29. 29 raised to the power 2 is written. It means you have to find out the square of 29. So for finding the square, what you will do? You will multiply 29 by 29 and the answer you will write here. Same way 37 का square, you will multiply 37 by 37 and you will write the answer here. 59 square, 101 का square and so on. 250 का square is also given. So this is 250 multiplied by 250. Here I want to tell you one thing class. Just multiply 25 by 25, which we already know, 625. And a 1 0 here and 1 0 here. So in the last you can put directly the 2 zeros. So the square of 250 will become 62,500. See class, there are various other methods also of finding the square, like the diagonal method, the using identity or the column method. But those methods I will tell you later on, because this is the most important method, the direct method of finding the square. That method you have to use it here. The other methods I will tell you some other day. Now what is the fifth question class? This is find out actual addition, find the sum. Means without actual addition, means आपको ये नंबर दे रखे हैं 1357, इनको एक्चुअली आपको सम नहीं करना है. मीन्स 1 + 3 4, 4 + 5 5, मीन्स 9, 9 + 7 16. इस तरीके से आपको आंसर नहीं निकालना है. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द सम बाई अदर मेथड. तो आई टोल्ड यू वन आइडेंटिटी दैट द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑड नंबर्स, कि जितने भी आप ऑड नंबर्स का सम करेंगे वो उसी के स्क्वायर के इक्वल होता है. मीन्स यहाँ पे आपका 1 से स्टार्ट किया, मीन्स फर्स्ट हो गया 1 3 5 7. सो दीज नंबर्स आर द फर्स्ट 4 ऑड नंबर्स. तो इनका जो सम है वो किसके इक्वल होगा? 4 के स्क्वायर के इक्वल. मीन्स 4 × 4 यानी कि 16. तो दिस इज अनदर वे ऑफ फाइंडिंग द सम ऑफ दीज काइंड ऑफ नंबर्स. सेम वे हेयर 1 + 3 + 5 + 7 + 9. So these are the first 5 odd numbers. So this their sum must be equal to 5 raised to the power 2, means 5 का square means 25. Like this you will find out the square of these two also. One thing I want to tell you class, like this what you can write, you can write the sum of any odd numbers. Means first 50 odd numbers, first 100, and no need to write the odd numbers. You can just directly write the sum. Means if there are 50 odd numbers, so their sum must be equal to 50 का square, means 2550 into, if they are asking about the sum of 100 odd numbers, so just 100 का square means 10,000. So like this you can write the sum of any odd numbers, means, but they should be the continuous, means consecutive odd numbers, and starting from 1. Now this is question number 6. Here you have to fill in the blank. What you have to write class here? Just you have to write here. These are the blanks class. These are the blanks here. So what you have to do? See, if this is multiplication of 1 × 3 + 1, means consecutive odd numbers. 1 और 3 के बीच में केवल एक नंबर है 2, और फिर हमने उसमें प्लस किया है. तो इसका जो सम है वो किसके इक्वल होगा? जो बीच में आपका मिसिंग है 2, उसका स्क्वायर होगा, मीन्स 4 होगा इसका सम. 11 और 13 में मिसिंग नंबर क्या है? बीच में एक ही नंबर मिसिंग है 12. तो अगर उसके मल्टीप्लाई में हम 1 प्लस करें तो वो उसका सम, ये इसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 12 का स्क्वायर. सेम वे ये है आपका 17, इसमें एक ही नंबर मिस है 18, तो 18 का स्क्वायर. इस तरीके से केवल अगर एक ही नंबर मिसिंग है बीच में और आपने मल्टीप्लाई करके उसमें अगर आप 1 प्लस करेंगे तो वो मिसिंग नंबर के स्क्वायर के इक्वल आएगा. दीज 2 क्वेश्चंस यू विल डू योरसेल्फ. वन अनदर मेथड, फाइंड द स्क्वायर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. 1111 का स्क्वायर. सी क्लास, here are only digit 1 and 4 times it is written 4 times. So what you have to do, just write the counting from up to 4, 1 2 3 4, जितने 1 है उतने ही आपने काउंटिंग लिखी और वहीं से फिर आपने बैक काउंटिंग में आपने लिख दिया। तो मीन्स 1 2 3 4, फिर 4 दोबारा नहीं लिखना है, 4 के बाद ही 4 3 2 1। सेम वे हियर देयर आर 6 1 1 2 3 4 5 6, so you have written 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then in the reduced form 6 afterwards 5 4 3. So you will see that the square of this number will become this number. Same way you will write these two. The eighth question is 81 and you have to represent the 81 into sum of consecutive odd numbers. आपको 9 consecutive odd numbers के sum के equal इसको represent करना है। तो very simple, 81 is the square of which number? 9 square. तो 81 is the square of 9. So just write the first 9 consecutive numbers, odd consecutive numbers. 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15. This exercise is very simple, class. I think you can do all the questions yourself. Same way 169 is the square of 30. So just write the first 13 odd numbers. So that will be the answer for this question. Complete up to question number 8. Tomorrow we will start the question number 9. Thank you.